I'm Alan Mazer, Global Public Relations Director at Razer. We invented the gaming mouse. We pioneered the use of high DPI sensors and ultra-slick mousing feet, which all gaming mice now use. Today, we're introducing the future in gaming mice. It doesn't just reduce the friction in your gameplay, it completely eliminates it. Introducing Project McFly. It's time to elevate your game. Frictionless control means the only limitation is your skill.
I like Project McFly. Project McFly is cool.
Oh, I cannot wait to steal this bad boy.
Current hover technology is based on electromagnetic repulsion, but it can only function on a special surface. However, we found a solution, and through extensive research and testing, we developed a way to use Earth's own magnetic field through collisionless magnetohydrodynamics. The Vlasov-Maxwell system of equations describes a self-consistent collective field created by charged plasma particles. By using water vapor in the air, 3 Razer wave hover drivers use parametric excitation of torsional omega frequency alpha waves to achieve levitation. Our 6400 DPI optical sensor calibrates the mouse to a desired height above any surface, and this height will not change, even if you run out of surface.
And the pain, the stun will never fall. And then at the end of it all, we will win, we will chant. It's not over till it's over.
We've arrived, ladies and gentlemen. This is the year. Welcome to the future.
Are you the kind of person who sees things from a different point of view? And even if it sounds crazy to everyone else, have you ever wished that you could play your life like you'd play a video game? Well, now you can. Introducing the Razer Eidolon, the world's first wearable drone and UAV third-person camera. When you escape the boundaries of first person, you have a true out-of-body experience. See your world in cinematic third person. The Razer Eidolon follows you at preset configurations and seamlessly streams the footage from its built-in camera directly into your vision. Broaden your horizons with Nimbus mode, and you won't be lying when you say your mind is in the clouds.
Take selfie. Closer. Take picture.
Your new perspective on life is in crisp HD 3D with the revolutionary membrane lens. These soft lenses are made with cutting-edge microcircuitry and intelligently switch between your natural perspective and third person. Eidolon's survival horror camera sets up cinematic angles area to area, going to first-person mode in between angles. Dynamically frame your conversations and see what you look like to everyone else. Simply say, Eidolon, manual override, and assume full control using the unrivaled precision motion sensing technology of the wrist command module. Eidolon, return. It also acts as a charging dock for your drone unit while it's not in use. We're also testing out the viability of additional functionality, such as courier mode. Or attend meetings remotely with Eidolon Proxy. We are still developing this revolutionary platform, and we need your feedback. Tweet us and Instagram us with #RazerDrone and let us know how you would use your Razer Eidolon.
Ready.
I use my Razer Eidolons to watch my neighbors type in their Wi-Fi password. They keep changing it, but I keep stealing it.
You and me, kid, we going places.
Say hello to s.a.i.s.o, your walking, talking, live streaming new best friend. A robot with a dynamic personality shaped by you. And yes, he is part of the Razer Chroma ecosystem. Other smart assistants are built to be your digital servants, but s.a.i.s.o is your sidekick.
Flexing on them scrubs from coast to coast, yeah.
And your sensei. He'll call you out on your BS and tell you what you need to hear, even when you don't want him to.
Alright, we praise the sun. Let's go play some games.
He's one hell of a sidekick.
Yo, wake up, bro. You got that meeting, remember?
Snooze.
Hell no, I ain't snoozing no more. Boom, headshot. Boom, headshot. Boom, headshot. Wake you ass up. Good morning.
If you say so, he'll deliver messages, like to that one roommate.
Can you please remind Nick to clean his dishes?
I got you.
You're the man.
Yo, Nicholas. Dishes ain't that way. They're over here. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub them dishes. Alright.
Razer s.a.i.s.o's advanced facial, speech, and body scanning enables him to read your emotions and physical health. He'll notice when you're packing on a few pounds.
Real talk, you're getting fat, bro. Let's do some push-ups together. 1, 2, 3. Hey, rough day, Travis? Bam! Chroma chain. I'm gonna need this room by midnight, though. I got Alexa coming over. Free 2-day shipping.
A new meta gear? That's right. s.a.i.s.o is your personal gaming sensei and levels up your performance by scouring game data, new strategies via patch notes, winning esports athlete Twitter accounts, and spicy forum threads.
Okay, slow down. Boy's getting busy. Yeah, buddy. Yo, that's what you get for Insta-Lock and Hanzo, scrub. Hey, when in doubt, make sure your team has a tank, a healer, and a hit scan DPS. Man, why are you giving up that high ground? See that blue rectangle? Stand behind that. There's your friend. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. You didn't know that?
Razer s.a.i.s.o can live stream for you with his 8-megapixel cameras right in his eyes.
Yep. I believe in you, Josh. If you really want to be sponsored by a company, all you gotta do is be more interesting and have more than 4 concurrent viewers.
s.a.i.s.o is also VR compatible, so you can assume direct control and have bots of fun.
No, Topher! Put down the beefaroni! That's my beefaroni, Topher! No! No, we talked about this!
Hey, s.a.i.s.o, you don't work for the CIA, do you?
Snakes eat rats, Cameron. I ain't no rat.
Everybody loves Razer s.a.i.s.o. He's the life of the party. Pre-order now at razerzone.com/s.a.i.s.o and get access to exclusive Day 1 DLC voice packs.
Hey, how's it going, bros? This is PewDiePie.
Brofist.
Look at that beautiful view. It's like a Windows desktop.
I'm sorry, I'm not programmed to do that yet.
All you need to do is play Roadhog. He's the best character in the game.
Good show! We're doing it live!
My friend, we have come a long way together, and now I can say that you have become truly phenomenal.
Welcome to the Razer Kitchen, where we are incredibly excited about breakfast. Because according to our scientists and engineers, it is the most important meal of the day. Toast. It's what holds it all together. And And no one believes that more than our CEO and chief gamer, Min Liang Tan.
Toast is good for you. It's great for breakfast. I like toast sometimes, but I'm not mad about toast. So let me tell you the story. So one day, one of our engineers took some spare time and decided to design a Razer toaster. Now that was funny, that was good. I mentioned that once, just once.
So I started commenting on Min Liang Tan's statuses, like every single one of them. When I conceived this idea of the Razer toaster, something I wanted, this movement, this is how it started.
I check my email using Razer equipment. I build game art with Razer equipment. Why can't I make toast?
I guess I love toast because it's a blank canvas. You know, it's something I'm familiar with, something I grew up with. You can throw cream cheese on toast, you can throw Nutella on toast, cinnamon sugar, and they all sort of capture a very specific memory of growing up or childhood, you know.
I love toast, so much so that there are very few brands out there that I'm willing to entrust my bread with.
I don't even know why we're talking about this still. These guys have been around a long, long time.
There is me, senpai.
They're back over and over again because of toast. It's bread. Fire it up. What do you want me to do about it?
The reason why I need a toaster from Razer is because Razer makes the best quality products possible. And when I'm in bed, half naked, Netflixing and chilling,
We want the Razer logo emblazoned, branded on our toast, like.
There's not a single other gaming company out there dedicated to pushing the boundaries of technology and furthering my lifestyle so I can spend more time at my computer playing video games.
Project Breadwinner, the world's first gaming-grade kitchen appliance built for gamers, by gamers, is almost a reality. And it's all thanks to you, the community.
You know, with Razer, I came for the hardware and stayed for the community.
I hear about it everywhere. Every damn press interview, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Snapchat. Toasted this, toasted that.
Why should Razer make a toaster? I mean, if you think about it, they've made like 45 products that work flawlessly with the toaster. I mean, we've got the chroma configurator, so you can paint your toast with any butter color you want.
What if, when my toast comes out, it's already perfectly buttered on the side? Combine that with chroma technology, I could have multicolored butter. Why can't my toast match my mood? Why can't it match my car? Why can't it match my hair?
We've got the Razer s.a.i.s.o, so you can start your toaster from your computer, and it'll notify you when your toast is done. Toasty!
Why should I have to walk over to a toaster and turn a knob? Why can't I adjust all of that from my smartphone?
It's perfect!
What good is a toaster without USB 3 capability?
The value of having a charging port there for my phone is priceless.
Sadly, this isn't a Razer toaster, but it could be with your help. Give us the Razer toaster. Shameless self-promotion. 1 million likes.
Do not like the Razer toaster page. These guys are fanatics. Be very, very careful.
This heck of a CEO. This guy is an absolute legend. It's great how much he's involved and active and finding out what we want.
I am fucking tired of toast. So if you are watching this, do me a favor, do not back this.
All right. Well, here's a toast to you, the community. Well, this is only the first step, so speak loudly and speak clearly. How we make this thing, what it does, if we make this thing, it's all up to you. So go to razorzone.com/breadwinner to let us know what features you want. Happy toasting.
Good morning.
Good morning. We've talked the whole night through.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Well, Josh, I printed her name on this piece of toast because I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
That's my name.
Here at Razer, our latest products are so cutting edge that the only thing slowing it down is you. The meaty organic form is a cage of limitations, including lagged response times, limited memory, and a dismal single-core processor. And after years of tireless research and experimentation, the solution is finally here. Introducing Project Venom V2. Built upon the same tongue-punching taste of the first-generation energy drink, we have successfully added a splash of biomechanical nanotechnology that will give you more than a competitive edge. You'll be an omnicidal demigod. Using Venom V2 is simple. 1. Insert Venom V2 into your preferred orifice. 2. Select and customize your nano enhancements on Razer Synapse. 3. Let the Razer bot sync to your body and...
Never, under any circumstances, should you consume more than 1 bottle of Venom every 2 hours.
Oh crap. Project Venom V2. Be the machine.
When the COVID-19 pandemic first hit, there was a massive global shortage of medical-grade masks. To meet the urgent needs during this emergency, Razer quickly responded by manufacturing high-quality, certified medical-grade masks for the frontline workers. Today, we have donated more than 1 million masks globally. But now that we're well and truly settled into this new normal, we see the need for a face mask that is safe, social, and sustainable. Introducing Project s.a.i.s.o, the world's smartest mask. For safety, the mask is classified as surgical N95 respirator, which provides a high fluid resistance that protects against droplets and splashes. Its active ventilation brings in cool air and releases heat produced from exhaling, which also prevents a build-up of CO2 in the mask. Aside from safety, we also looked how we could improve social interaction with the mask, as most designs cover the face and muffle your speech. Our smart mask has a clear, transparent design, which makes communicating easier, as others can now see you speak and pick up your facial cues. Thanks to a built-in mic and amplifier combo, our patent-pending voice amp technology ensures your speech isn't muffled even when you're masked up. The mask is waterproof and scratch resistant, making it ideal for frequent use. And because it's made of recyclable plastic, this sustainable design greatly minimises wastage as compared to disposable masks. A smart mask should also be super comfortable to wear. The silicone guard sits snugly around your face to prevent air leaking in and keeps the mask itself from touching or resting on your mouth so you can talk naturally. By designing this mask to be safe, social, sustainable, comfortable and personalised, Project s.a.i.s.o is our answer to what the world's smartest mask can be.